Friend, don't tell me it's 2025 and you still don't know how to do your own makeup. Girl, don't worry. I'm here to save you. Yes. Go ahead and get your kit, get your makeup brushes, and sit down and do your makeup with me.
I'm a star, cause I slay, I slay, I slay, I slay.
Okay, friends, so before we even start doing any makeup, you want to make sure you do skin prep. As you can see, my face is glowing before I even start doing any makeup. And that's because before any makeup, I always cleanse and moisturize my skin, and then I prep with primer. And then I go in with foundation. So for foundation, I am using Fenty Beauty. So once you have your foundation on, you just want to blend it out. Make sure you get your neck. You can use a brush or you can use a beauty blender. And right now I'm just going in with a brush for now. So once you have your foundation blended out, you want to go in with concealer. And for concealer, I am using Juvia's Place in the shade 10. I use two different concealers. The first one is closest to my skin tone, and then the second one is going to be a highlighting concealer. And I want to focus that in this area. I'm gonna take a little of the first concealer on my chin, a little bit right here, and take this one and just do a little bit right here and going down the bridge of my nose. So next I'm going in with contour. So for me, I like to take my contour right here on my cheekbones. Put a little bit on my chin. And a little bit on my forehead. So I'm just blending that out, and you wanna blend upward. Okay, so I went in and created some shadows and some chiseledness to my chin, my nose, forehead, and the sides of my cheeks. So now I'm gonna highlight with my concealer. I'm gonna actually take this brush here and I'm gonna blend out my concealer. When I'm blending out my concealer, I'm doing tapping motions, and I'm starting with the edge, and I'm doing like tap, 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 tap. And then I'm taking a look and seeing how it looks so far, and I'm like, hey. So just do like tap, 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 hey, tap, 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 ooh. And just keep tapping and blending until that concealer is blended out. And you wanna make sure you blend up to your temples. And blend it into your nose contour. See how those edges is nice and blended into the contour? You wanna make sure you blend your concealer into your contour. I'm doing the same thing with my forehead, blending that concealer into the contour. So now we're gonna blend out this side. Remember, tap, tap, tap. Take a look. Hey, tap, tap, tap. Okay. And just keep on blending and tapping. And blend it into your nose contour. Blend it upwards to your temple. And remember, blend it into your contour. Yes, friend. I know these steps literally is gonna make your makeup come out so cute. Just follow these steps. And I'm just taking some of that remaining product under my contour. And now I'm gonna tap, tap, tap and blend out that concealer on my nose. Ooh, it's looking so good already. Okay, friends, so now it's time to set your concealer and your contour. And I'm gonna use a setting powder. This one is from One Size in the shade Sweet Honey. Okay, friends, so you wanna get you a powder puff, and this is what you're gonna use to apply your setting powder. So as you can see, I packed my sponge, I packed my powder puff, and I'm just gonna dab it on the back of my hand. And I'm literally just going to go into my under eye first. And you're gonna do it just like that. More powder, and take it along your nose like this. And your chin, go around your mouth, hit them smile lines. Now you want to go in and set your liquid contour, and I use bronzer from Fenty. So now you just want to go in and literally just make this more chiseled. Literally just putting it everywhere you put that liquid contour. See, friend, like my makeup is literally about to eat. I'm trying to tell you, just follow these steps. Okay, friends, so now I'm about to go in with blush, my favorite part. And I'm just gonna take blush from Juvia's Place. Blush is gonna be your best friend. So you wanna take it on your cheeks, blend it into that contour, and just blend it upwards. Do like a little smile. Take a little bit under your eye and just blend it in. Just blend everything together. That's the whole key to makeup, is blending everything together. Yes. Make sure my under eye is good. Go in with a little bit more powder. Take a little bit on the sides. You're basically just sharpening everything up and making sure it looks nice. Okay, I'm gonna clean my brows up a little bit with concealer. Now I'm going in with mascara. And currently I'm using the mascara from SheGlam. Okay, friends, so I did my brows, lashes, and I made sure I put some mascara on my bottom lashes and did black waterline. So now, let's get into the lip combo. Going in with this brown lip pencil. And I'm going in with lipstick. It's like a nude shade. Ooh, I love a good ombre lip. Nude mixed with brown, it always eats every single time. Yes. But I'm gonna put a little gloss on it using this NYX Butter Gloss. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of clear gloss on top. Okay, friend, we literally are almost done. So now I'm just going in with Morphe setting spray. Now, friend, I tried to already put you onto this setting spray, and I hope you added it to your collection. So this next step is optional. If you don't like highlight, you don't gotta use it, but it literally just gives you that final touch, and it just looks good. So I like to put some on my brow bone, tip of my nose, and you can even take your highlight and blend it in with your blush. It just looks so good. Friend, now this is the finished look. I ate and left no crumbs, literally. Slayed my makeup, like, yes, get into it. Okay, period. Yes, y'all better follow my steps. I'm trying to tell y'all. I shouldn't be hearing nothing about, I don't know how to do my makeup. I don't know how to do my makeup. Because I just literally showed you how I just slayed my makeup. I just ate, literally. So friend, let me know what you need help with. Is it concealer? Is it contour? What is it? Let me know in the comments down below, okay? Yes, I hope this video was helpful. And I want to see your finishing results. If you did your makeup with me, tag me on Instagram. And let me see your finishing look. Because mine's 8 down. Yes. So yes, girl, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And make sure that you have your notifications on so you will be notified when I post the next video. Okay? Bye, friend.